have some scenarios. The scenarios are based on the arguments, methods like that.
What is inheritance? Why we use inheritance in Java?
Inheritance means parent-child relation. Inheritance only three concepts will be used in Java. These are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is parent to child relation. Multiple inheritance, one after one can be used. Single only use one inheritance. It will be used to create a data in and copy.
Okay. Good. Can we make a abstract method static in Java?